up and then I'm gonna vacuum. All right, I just finished my vacuuming and dusting as part of the weekly home blessing. My son helped me with the dusting. So I'm gonna go into the FlyLady app. And oh, these are super dirty, it's distracting, just a second. So I'm going to be going into the FlyLady app to go over everything I have accomplished today. I realized today, clutter and chaos and different things, which I know is a big thing about the FlyLady, is it's stressful for me. And today I went out and I worked in my garage where I'm trying to have a garage sale with all the things I have decluttered, and I'm overwhelmed. I am so overwhelmed in that space that I think it literally sucked the energy straight from me. So I have to just sit down and make a plan and actually set a date for this garage sale and just get it done. So with that being said, I am stressed out. I am finding I'm not getting everything done, but today is Friday. I am going to see where I'm at with my progress. So let's start at the morning routine. You guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but I did do a lot of stuff today, including I spent about 2 hours in the garage, and I feel like I accomplished nothing out there. I have tables on their way to me, additional tables, and I have a clothing rack that's coming. So I will have additional space, additional resources to set stuff up out there. And I think that will really help. Right now, I think I'm just limited on that space. And then I just really need a day that I am not also attending to a 3-year-old at the same time. It's just, it's hard to make sure he is staying safe in the driveway and getting stuff done. So if I can just have complete undivided attention in that room, and I know this goes against the FlyLady of 15 minutes a day, this is just a project that needs to be done. I need a day to get it done, and then I need a consecutive 5 days to hold a sale and schmooze with people and haggle over items. I'm gonna have a sign up that says no haggling. I'm not a haggler. Anyway, yeah, we did make the bed. We did take a nap since then, so the bed's a little messy, but we did make the bed this morning. I did get dressed. I showered and everything. I did it after I worked in the garage, knowing I'd be kind of sweaty and gross. We ate breakfast. I emptied the dishwasher and loaded it. I have to do it again. I started my load of laundry. I did look at the calendar. I worked out first thing at 5:30. I have 2 additional things I have added to the app. One is Lollipops medicine. We give our cat medicine every day. I take my morning vitamins. I have taken those. You guys, I am not going to lie or mislead you. I struggle with the swish and swipe. It hasn't been done. All right, so that's the morning routine. I got everything but one thing done. Go to our afternoon. What is for dinner? It is Friday, so we are having pizza tonight. Easy peasy. I have been drinking my water. I have not decluttered the laundry. I have not rebooted the laundry. 2 things I need to do. 15 minutes of loving movement. I do my workout in the morning, so I actually feel like I am going to change that one to something else. So I have to go, I'm moving around and wobbling. I am going to go and do my 15 minutes decluttering. It is my favorite thing to do in the day. I know exactly where I'm going to do it today too. And I'm going to reboot the laundry. So I'm actually gonna do my declutter first, and then I'll move down to the laundry because I'm bringing stuff from the decluttered space to the laundry room. So while I come over here, I'm going to just show you. I've ordered some new cleaning supplies from Grove Collective. I really like them. But I already had a lot of new cleaning supplies, and now I can't shut the door to my cleaning closet. So I'm going to declutter in here for 15 minutes. It's It's a space that needs to be done. All right, so we are bursting at the seams. I'm gonna put 15 minutes on the list. What I plan on doing is actually moving my less used cleaning supplies down to that laundry room cabinet. I decluttered it during my 31 days, and I realized it's a space that it works for extra cleaning supplies. But I didn't really remember what was in there. So I'm going to make a list of the items I am moving down, and I'm just going to tape it right here so I know exactly what I have on hand down in that other cabinet. So it's gonna be items that are less used, maybe more specialty, that kind of thing, because this just isn't working for what I need right now. 15 minutes, let's go. All right, so my time is up. I'm gonna show you what I am either moving downstairs or getting rid of entirely. All right, so a lot of this is getting moved downstairs. This whole bin is just going out to the garage sale. I'm gonna go change over my laundry and bring this downstairs. All right, it's Friday evening. I am starting dinner. I'm going to finish these dishes, call it a night. Let's go.